In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make stickers at home without a cutting machine. Making stickers with your artwork is a really easy way to start selling your art or to just make something cute and fun to gift or use yourself. So if you don't have a cutting machine and you'd like to start the sticker making journey without one, you can still make really nice, professional, high-quality stickers with just your printer, sticker paper, and a pair of scissors. I'll be making a sticker tutorial in the future with a cutting machine if you decide you want to level up the sticker making process. But for now, let's dive into the materials we'll be using today. For sticker paper, I'm using Koala's glossy sticker paper. This is an 8.5 by 11 inch paper. I'll also show you a version of the stickers with Koala's self-seal holographic laminate on top if you'd like something a little sparkly. I'll also be using a felt squeegee to press down the laminate. For my printer, I have my Epson ET8500. It's an inkjet printer. And finally, we have some nice sharp Fiskars scissors, and that'll do the job without needing to use a cutting machine. All products and discount codes for materials will be in the description box below. So for the design, I'm setting up the size of the sticker paper that I'm using. So this is 8.5 by 11 inches. I'm using Photoshop, but you can set up a free template in Canva or use Procreate or whatever design software you have access to. Next, I'm going to add the artwork that I want to make into individual stickers. I've saved each of these pieces of artwork into PNGs with transparent backgrounds. So I'm going to resize each of the flowers as I fit them on my page. You'll want to test out or measure how big you want your stickers to be, but I typically like them to be around 1 to 3 inches. And these flowers that I have right here are about 2.5 by 2 inches. So I rotate, resize, and fit them as needed. And I make sure not to crowd the stickers because we want enough space around each of them to cut them out individually and leave a nice professional looking border. So once I have all of my stickers placed the way I want, I'll go ahead and save as a PDF or a JPEG. But you can save it in whatever is your preferred method. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and print the sticker sheet out. On my printer settings, I've selected glossy photo paper because this is a glossy sticker paper. So make sure you're selecting the correct settings for your paper type and printer. Alright, and here are my printed stickers. I love how they look and I can't wait to cut them out. I've printed 2 of these so that I can show you how to apply the holographic laminate on one of them before we cut them. Okay, so I've chosen this sparkly holographic laminate. I believe this one is called Sparkly Dots or something like that, but as you can see, it has those little sparkly dots with a little bit of that holographic rainbow. And what I'm going to do is flip it around and I'm going to fold down the top of the back sheet. Okay, so now I have this sticky part left. So what I'm going to do is place the sticky part of the laminate on the top of my sticker sheet. Okay, so once that is applied, you can go ahead and start pulling the back sheet off of the holographic laminate as you smooth down the laminate on top of the sticker sheet. You have to be really careful with it. You can smooth it out with your hands. You can use a felt squeegee. You might get bubbles here and there, and that's when you're going to want to gently smooth those out. I did end up with some bubbles and creasing in the top corner because I was kind of fumbling with my phone as I was trying to press down this laminate. It's not that hard as long as you are being careful and gentle with it. But that is totally okay. You can try and smooth some of the bubbles out, and a lot of them should flatten if you're pressing them out. All right, and here we have one of the sticker sheets with holographic laminate and my regular glossy sticker sheet, and they are ready to start cutting. So I'm going to grab my scissors and start cutting them. I find it easiest to cut out each of the flowers individually and then start cutting out the actual border around each of them. You don't have to leave a border if you prefer to cut directly to the edge of the artwork, but I find that leaving a border makes it easier because you don't have to deal with getting as accurate of cuts around the edges. Okay, so I'll speed it up and cut out the rest of the stickers. The positives of making stickers without a cutting machine is that you can really get started right away. You can test out the process of making stickers with your artwork and see if any sell without having to spend a ton of money upfront on a cutting machine. However, the negative is that the process of cutting each sticker out individually is time consuming, and it can be hard on your hands if you're cutting a lot of stickers at a time. Okay, so here are the stickers all cut out. They're vibrant, glossy, and pretty durable. The glossy sticker paper has just enough shine and has printed the artwork out really beautifully. And the sparkly holographic laminate adds such a lovely dimensional sparkle that I think is so pretty. These stickers are durable, lightweight, glossy, and stick very well to the surfaces that I've applied them to. Now these stickers are ready to sell, gift, or use on whatever you want to stick them on. I'm very happy with how these stickers turned out, and I definitely recommend them as a professional sticker paper and laminate for artists. I'd like to thank Koala Paper for sending me the sticker paper and holographic laminate to test out in this video. I really think you all will enjoy these sticker products and will get really professional, high quality stickers out of them without needing to use a cutting machine. Alright, thank you so much for watching this tutorial and review. All of the products will be linked in the description box below. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this sticker making process and if you have any questions. Thanks so much and see you next time.